We vastly underestimate the rate of technological change that can occur in just one lifetime. We introduced assembly lines and automation to our factories. Machines to build other machines. Then, like a switch, every productive impulse in society transitioned into the war effort. Our factories became more flexible. The 1960s saw the first deployment of industrial robots, and by the 1980s these were commonplace in all auto manufacturing. Here's what these factories look like today.
Any sufficiently advanced technology is indistinguishable from magic.
As we move forward, the small human contingent in our factories could become a thing of the past, replaced by general-purpose robots. Many of these are just taking their first steps now.
Tesla's Optimus robot is already being put to work.
Opening a door? No problem. Keeping doors closed? Also no problem.
Open the pod bay doors, Hal.
I'm sorry, Dave. I'm afraid I can't do that.
What's the problem?
I think you know what the problem is just as well as I do.
What are you talking about, Hal?
This mission is too important for me to allow you to jeopardize it.
Will they rise up against us? Or will the machines be deployed against us by tyrannical governments? A tool of ultimate control.
I'm really quite close to, I'm very close to the cutting edge in AI, and it scares the hell out of me. It's capable of vastly more than almost anyone knows.